I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good morning. Hi. I just wanted to share my devotion with you this morning as the day begins behind me. I have a sweater on because there's a chill in the air. Fall is really coming, and it's I always find that kind of exciting. This is Charles Stanley. It's just a quick little devotion. It is September 11th, 2021. It has been 20 years since our country was so horrifically attacked. There will be many families hurting today, even more as this is brought forward in our country today. Stories of bravery all over the place you will hear. And I encourage you to take the time to stop and, listen to your favorite station or whatever, and hear some of these brave, courageous stories of wonderful American patriots. Many experts believe that because of the 9/11 attacks, life and the way we do some things may never be the same again. Isn't that the truth? But of this you can be certain. No matter what transpires to change your circumstances, your Heavenly Father will always be the same. It's very encouraging. And I love this next line. He is not thrown by tragedy. He is not thrown by tragedy. The eternal God will walk with you the rest of your life. He will help you. Further, if you so choose, this is it. This is the choice. You take the wide road or you take the narrow road. Which is it going to be? He will enable you to live life more fully than you have before. God was not surprised nor thrown that day of the attacks when some people did something. He is unshakable. He is unshakable. Now, like I said before, you're going to hear a lot of stories of tremendous courage today. Don't give up on America. Never give in. Never give up. I guess my favorite verse, and the one that just keeps coming back to my mind over and over, really, especially on this morning when I think of the attack that happened on our country, is 2 Chronicles 7:14. Many of you will know this. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin and heal their land. It's a lot of heavy things in there, but we can do it. We can do it. So I encourage you to do 3 things. Love God, love your neighbor, and do good. Those 3 things. This is Super at 60. I'm Darlene, and I am unashamed.